Hello and welcome to DeltaSecurityOnline.com. Here we have an Ademco 6160V voice remote keypad. I'm going to show you a couple functions of this keypad and how it sounds. First I'm going to do a voice command for the status of the system. It's going to be #0*, #0*.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
There you go. Now I'm going to show you how to record a message and play a message. To record a message, I'm going to press function, which is the #, 0 voice, and 1 for record. And when I'm done recording, hit 1 again to turn it off. Here we go. Red light comes on, and now I can record. Welcome to DeltaSecurityOnline.com. Message light is now flashing, telling me that there's a message, so the next person could come in and listen to that message, and they would do function 0 play, which is #03 for play. Red light comes on, now I can record. Welcome to DeltaSecurityOnline.com. That's it. I'm going to show you how to arm. This particular keypad is set up for single button arming for away, stay, and night, and also has a panic button. We will do the away, push and hold for about a second.
Armed, away, exit, now.
Now you have time to leave the house. Now to disarm the system, you just hit your 4-digit code and off.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
There you go. Please remember to check back often to DeltaSecurityOnline.com, demos and tutorials. I will talk to you soon.